Hi, today we are going to compare BullX and Photon. BullX and Photon are two emerging platforms for trading meme coins on the Solana blockchain, each offering distinct features and user experiences. While BullX boasts advanced functionalities, Photon is recognized for its lower fees and user-friendly interface. This comparison explores their key differences to help traders make informed decisions. Let's start with fees. BullX charges a transaction fee of 0.05 SOL, which some users consider relatively high. This fee structure may deter frequent traders or those with smaller trade sizes, impacting overall profitability. However, the platform's advanced features might justify the cost for users who prioritize functionality over minimal fees in their trading experience. Photon, on the other hand, offers lower transaction fees compared to BullX, making it an attractive choice for cost-conscious traders. This affordability is beneficial for those who engage in frequent trading or have smaller investment amounts. By minimizing costs, Photon allows users to maximize their potential profits, especially in the volatile meme coin market where margins can be tight. Let's talk about user experience. BullX, currently in early access, is described by some users as slow and clunky, which can hinder trading efficiency. Despite this, it offers advanced functionalities like multi-chart views and comprehensive holder information. These features can significantly enhance trading strategies for experienced users who are willing to navigate its less than optimal performance. On the other hand, Photon users report a smoother and more intuitive experience, making it particularly appealing for newcomers to the trading scene. The platform's straightforward interface facilitates quick navigation and efficient trading execution. Its user-friendly design helps reduce the learning curve, allowing traders to focus on their strategies rather than struggling with complex functionalities. When it comes to trading volume and activity, BullX tend to engage in lower trading volumes, averaging $123 per trade with about 91 trades monthly. This lower activity may reflect the platform's current user base or its performance issues that detract from user engagement. As a result, traders might find fewer opportunities for quick profits in a fast-moving market like meme coins. Photon users typically engage in higher trading volumes, averaging $198 per trade with around 102 trades each month. This increased activity suggests a more engaged user base that takes advantage of favorable market conditions more frequently. Higher trading volumes can lead to better liquidity and more opportunities for profit, particularly in the dynamic meme coin landscape. When it comes to features, BullX is known for its extensive features, provides tools like wallet tracking and detailed portfolio analysis that cater to serious traders managing multiple assets. These advanced functionalities can help users make informed decisions based on comprehensive data insights. However, the complexity of these features may overwhelm casual traders seeking a simple trading experience. Photon, on the other hand, may lack some of the advanced features found on BullX. Its simplicity and efficiency make it appealing for casual traders or those new to the meme coin market. The platform focuses on delivering essential functionalities without unnecessary complexity, allowing users to execute trades quickly and effectively while still benefiting from a solid trading experience. For community feedback, BullX received a mixed result. Some users appreciate its advanced capabilities despite performance limitations, while others find it frustrating due to speed issues. Experienced traders may value its feature set enough to overlook these drawbacks. However, ongoing improvements are necessary to enhance user satisfaction and retain a competitive edge in the market. Photon, on the other hand, is generally favored by users for its ease of use and lower fees compared to BullX. The positive feedback highlights its intuitive design and efficient trading process, making it suitable for both new and experienced traders alike. However, some advanced users may miss certain features that could enhance their trading strategies in a more competitive environment. In summary, BullX and Photon cater to different trading preferences. BullX appeals to advanced users seeking comprehensive features, while Photon attracts those valuing simplicity and lower fees. Ultimately, the choice depends on individual trading styles and priorities in the meme coin market. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.